All right, this is the MonsterBass box for the southern region for June 2020 here. Let's go ahead and open this up. And right off the bat, we have a sticker, kind of a COVID-inspired sticker. We've got some Liquid Mayhem shad scent bait. So you add this, basically rub this on any of your lures, things like that. It gives it a good stink to it, which will attract fish. Has a little finesse jig here. Then a frog. So top water right now, I've heard a lot of people catching stuff on top water, especially getting stuff with like some of these exotic colors like the purples and even some pinks. And let's see here. Here's X Zone. So this is a little kind of like a craw design here, kind of a I guess green and blue, black and I guess kind of green and blue color. Here's a pretty good sized worm here, 11-inch blitz worm. And I know from some kind of reading around on the forums, online, stuff like that, these big worms will catch fish too. I normally fish a smaller worm, but it's another frog, a little Booyah Toad Runner Jr. Then here are some jig heads. Typically they will pair these, so this may pair kind of with this finesse, or it might actually also do well with this 4-inch adrenaline bug, which is also an X Zone. Oh, so this one floats. Okay, that's interesting. All right, so that was it for the month of June here. So to kind of recount this here, an X Zone. This is a 4-inch adrenaline bug, a lifted jig, a pair of jig heads here, the Liquid Mayhem, the X Zone 3.25-inch muscle back finesse, a Booyah Toad Runner Jr., a Chase Baits Wiggle Bomb, an 11-inch blitz worm and red bug. This is a Z-Man cross eye, and the sticker. Boom. Can't wait to fish this stuff. Like I said, I'm down here in Texas, and I know a lot of people have been saying they're having really good luck with purple, pink, probably some of these red worms, things like that. We're still having some spawn activity down here too. And then, a lot of floating rigs and stuff like that are good right now. So all of this stuff will be good. All this stuff will go into the tackle box. So again, MonsterBass, June 2020 Southern Region box.